Hi, I'm Simon from Warm Glass, and I'm just going to do a quick out of the box for the Kristall 2000S glass grinder. So the first thing that you get when you open the box is a filler plate, and then there's the grinder inside. Just lift the grinder out of the box, move the box to one side, and apart from the box you'll find the guarantee cards and instructions, English plug. Here there are three components on the top. Basically a splash guard, a little thing that looks like a Lego flag that is used for pushing the water up the grinding head, and a filler to fill in a different size of, if you're using a different size of grinder. Underneath all that is just the open place where the water goes. So that's fairly straightforward. The grinding head isn't fixed on yet, and there's no sponges or anything like that. The water just goes into here, and then it gets pushed up the grinding head. So the first thing to do, get everything into place, get your splash guard into the right place, get your grinding head. You just want to make sure that it's lined up with the flat on the drive shaft, and then just do it up so it's nice and tight, and then the grinder should be just below the surface of the grinding table. These two bits you're not going to use. A handy place to keep them is inside, and then the little flag sits right at the back there, and then that pushes up against the grinding head, and it can touch, that's okay, and you'll see that when the grinding head is rotating, it pulls the water up the grinder. So once you've done that, you just fill it up with water, turn it on, and away you go. I hope that's been helpful. Thanks for watching.